Yes, sir. Who's ready? So ISIG. Yeah, let's look at that. This is ISIG right now. This is the 4 hour. We bought around here, and we just been holding it, holding it, holding it, and decided, you know what? We took enough loss. We're time risk, so I'm not gonna be holding it anymore. We just went ahead and cut it, so that's what we did. And we got a few that are moving here. They are absolutely moving, like this one. We're gonna look to get some shares here. Here we go. We'll take it there, 285. There's 286. We're taking 286. 287 again. We're taking 287. Let's go. Give me 288. Give me 288. Oh, nice drop there. Oh, big drop there. Let's see what it does. That rejection. Not adding till 288. Not there yet. Ooh. Spread. The spread. The spread. I don't know. Not sure. The spread. That's a iffy one. Let's see what else is moving. Maybe they're hanging out. Oh. Look at that. She's just been scared the whole time. That might be it. That might be the ticket right here. Let's see the order book over here. Over here we're looking. Hey, let's take this other one. Let's say see ya. Let me look at this other one here. Plrx. Is that Matt? Did Matt join in? Let me see. Where do I? Oh, do one of those. Pull up my thingy. Oh, we got a leaf. What's up, man? Let me send this invite. Hold up. Got him. D-Walk. What the hell? Look at that. I'm liking this though. Yo.
What's up? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Plrx. She's nice. She's nice. Hold on here.
Yeah, I was fucking refreshing on YouTube for like 5 minutes.
On YouTube?
Yeah, I thought that's where you were streaming.
Oh, got him. Let me take that. Here we go. Here we go. She's moving. Here we go. 187. 6. Give me 180. 80. Oh. Anyways, yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. We're all about giving her money when she's acting right. You know what I'm saying? When your girlfriend's acting right, you start just throwing money at her. You say, "You good girl." It's 190. Keep it going. Keep it. You see, I'm adding as I'm green. I'm adding. I'm not averaging down anymore. I do not average down anymore, man. Let me tell you what, because that's bad behavior. If it's going against me, hey, that's bad behavior. I don't finance that. You know what I'm talking about?
Absolutely.
I don't finance bad behavior. So if any time it's going against me, I'm not throwing any money at her. But if she's winning, she's doing what I want, she's acting right, she's making tea in the morning, waffles, no eggs, I'm vegan. She's making the blueberry pancakes. I'm giving her all the money I got. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
That's
All
what's
those people.
that's what's changed recently. See, 187. Looking for maybe 19 on it. Let's go, Plrx. How's she behaving? Come on. Come on. Looking for 19 on it. Oh. Let's go. She's thirsty. She does want it, you know. She's dressed up real nice. She's saying she's gonna do what I want, but I don't know. She's got to show me. You know what I'm saying? 87. Give me one. Give me 19. Oh, she's acting right. That's the whole deal, you know, because. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. She tricked me. No, that's the whole deal, though, Matt. Is I never. Oh, there she goes. She was lying. Here we go. I'm adding now.
You're a little teased, bro.
Yeah, she's teasing. Now she's acting right. Here we go. That's the whole deal. Is how you want to reward your portfolio. You know what I'm saying? You want to reward it when she's acting nice. You want to reward her when she's acting bad. Because if you reward her when she's acting bad, you training her. You know what I'm saying? You training her to act bad. She's saying, "Oh, oh." You reward her when she's acting right. She gonna keep acting right. Here we go. Here we go. Break the 19. 1912. I'm adding hard. I'm fucked. All the money I got. break it. She's acting real nice. I threw my wallet at her. I said, here's the debit card even. Not even the cash. You get the whole access. There's 1948. I'm going to start selling here. There we go. There we go. Nice squeeze up. 1960. What is it? Look at that. Almost at 20 bucks. I'm taking the rest here. That's why we reward the nice behavior. All right, let's see what she's doing. So she's at 20 bucks right now. I'd assume it's at a resistance, but I'm not even convinced at this point. She's been acting right, you know. I'll let her pull back. I'll let her have a little pullback real quick, and then we'll see what she wants to do. This stock, you know. Yeah, what I've realized recently, Matt, is you know people love to call tops and they love to call bottoms, you know. So I've been trying to take more plays that are already up so much. I know it sounds risky, but when it's already up so much, you know, there's momentum behind it. It's gonna be hard to stop it when there's.
Also, you're getting quick.
What'd you say?
I said you're getting in and out quick.
Exactly. But when something's down so much, you know, it's the same thing. There's already momentum behind it. It's going to take a lot to stop it and reverse it. So that's something I've been realizing too. Because especially when it goes the other way, let's say you start losing, right? Let's say something's down. It's down a bunch, right?
Yeah.
You buy because let's say you are calling the bottom. Okay, fine. You called the bottom. That's fine. You're buying. Let's say you're right. It was the bottom. What are you gonna do? You're gonna add more money. You're gonna give her some money. You know, start paying her rent. Damn it, she's acting good. We're paying her rent.
Yeah.
Then she's acting nicer. Shit, you're getting the Mercedes. That's how it goes. But let's say you try and call the bottom. It wasn't the bottom. That's where people fuck up. They start adding more money when they're wrong. They say, "Nah, it was the bottom. I'm right. I'm right." And it wasn't the bottom. It's still going down. Slowly going down. They're like, "Nah, she's a good girl. Even though she's been misbehaving this whole fucking year I've been with her, she's been misbehaving. She's still a good girl. I know she is in her heart. I'll still give her money." What are you teaching her? You're teaching her to keep misbehaving. So she's no longer dressing up. She's not even brushing her teeth. Oh God, the breath. You know what I'm saying?
You can't handle that.
No, so we gotta fire her. We gotta sell. Sell the position. Get out while you can. Then maybe next year, you know, she's acting better. She try and prove it to you. Give her a chance. You start your position. Maybe you call the bottom again. That's fine, but it's the bottom this time. We're good. Anyways, this thing is moving. She is just, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. She had 21. She gonna break 21. She just broke 21. She had 21.41. You watching this stream?
Yes.
This thing is moving crazy. Plrx. For some reason that I don't know.
When did you hop in at? Since I missed the beginning.
I just hopped in when you joined the call. I actually hopped in. The news here. It climbs 48% as mid-stage trial for lung disease therapy meets their goals. So that's
nice.
Good. It's been climbing. It's been moving. So they met their goals. So this is a big mover today. It's already up what? Let me see. It's already up 122%, right? Why do I want it? Let's say I'm playing the wrong side. Why would I short it? It's moving. You know, there's no reason for me to work against the stock right now.
Yeah.
Right. There's no reason to not take the play if it's moving. There's no reason to. There is a reason to not take the play if it's consistently going down now. But no, it's consistently going up. It's got the good behavior. I'm buying. I'm getting my entry. You know, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I don't put any more money behind it, you know. But if I'm right, I put more money. Keep adding. Because that's recently what I've been doing recently. Because we're talking about recently, right? I text you.
Yeah.
I'm like, Matt, bro, I'm killing the market recently. We're talking about recently. Okay, what happened? What happened? Well, this is what happened. You stop rewarding the bad behavior. You reward the good behavior. Man, she's bringing breakfast in bed. Holy shit, she's got another year of insurance. She can't get fired for another year. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it goes. That's how it goes now. Plrx just got halted.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, I just got halted on the upside, so that thing was moving hard. I sold
Yeah.
all my position at $20. I should have took the
Nice.
pullback. I took the pullback, but well, I should have taken. I didn't take the pullback. I should have. But anyways, we were in at 1850. We had to squeeze up to $20.
$1.50. That's
Easy,
good.
like you know, I made it easy, like $25. But if I would have added again on this move, because it came back down to the pullback to $19, I would have added again. It just came up to $21.50. Now it's halted. So she squeezed too hard. The market makers halted it. They said, "What's going on?" So I'm gonna watch it, but there might be other things right now. Let's see right here. TBLT. She's been having good behavior. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, she tricked me. I'm watching PLRX though. That one is the main mover. That one is the. See. Yeah, see, that one is up, up. You know what? It's true though. People love to call tops and people love to call bottoms, man. Imagine all the people that were shorting GameStop that called the top when it was at $5. It went to $20. He said, "Oh, it's the top. Short it." Next day it opens up at $40. Oh, it's the top. Still short it again. They're adding at their losers. They keep saying it's the top. Nothing is saying it's the top but them. All right. They keep saying it's the top. So what do? They keep shorting it at $40. Next thing you know, next day it opens up $75. It has to be the fucking top now, right?
Yeah, that's
Keep
what I
shorting
thought.
it. Next day, 150. Next day, $300. Next day, it's at $400. They owe their broker. They don't even think about the money they lost because they lost it. They don't have money. Now they owe their broker. Now they're in debt. They're done for. So
Because they doubted GameStop, bro.
not even because they doubted GameStop, but because they were rewarding the bad behavior. There it goes. It just opened up to 2090. Let's see what it does. I've got the theories, but it don't matter. Theories don't matter. It's what she's doing. It's how she's acting. We're gonna see. She's at the pullback stage. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna test her waters. I'm gonna invite her on a date. There it is.
She say yes?
Well. I said yes first. We gonna see. We're gonna see. Now she's saying yes. We're gonna see if I want to give her some money or not. Here we go. I put a little behind her at the pullback zone. Cause she halted. That's good. That's a good story right here. She's got resistance at 2150, something like that again. We go see. 2072. If she gives me 2080, I'm gonna put it again. I just said, hey, if you give me orange juice right now, I'll give her the tip. You know what I'm saying? I'll send her the tip. So she said, honey. Oh, that was a nice move right there. I'm trying to add there. There we go. She brought me orange juice and the tea. And the chaga tea. Look at that.
Brought you options.
She brought me options. So I'm giving her more money. Here we go. Oh. Now I just saw the text from her ex-boyfriend. I just saw her texting him. She's moving against me. That's what I'm saying. She's moving against me. So I'm not adding. I'm looking to take the loss. I'm not looking to average down. No, I'm looking to take the loss. Because she moved against me. I'm looking to take the loss, but the thing is where? Because I don't want to take it if it's just a small move against me and it's just going to pop right up. Exactly. I don't want to take it. So now the goal is to not add. Don't make the loss bigger. You know, that's the goal. Don't add. Don't make the loss bigger. Just see how it's moving. And it's looking right. You know, it's looking like just a small pullback. So now I wait. I wait till I'm in the green again to add.
So if you see 3 red candles, is that when you more get worried?
No, that doesn't even matter. What more matters is the whole dynamic of it changing. Because if it's just a pullback, you know, I'll hold through the whole pullback. I don't care how low it goes. If it's still going to be uptrending higher, I don't care. What I care about is the whole dynamic change. If what I'm seeing is this thing is moving and it's moving hard and it wants to continue moving hard, I don't care if I'm in the red. Because I'm going to get green again. What I care about is, let's say now that like see, this thing is pulling back now. You know, it's starting to pull back. It's breaking this kind of trend that it was in. You see, it's kind of broken it now.
Yeah.
That's fine. But if I see it now starts to continue that, I'm going to get out.
Okay.
I'm going to get out for sure. I don't want to add money just because, like, oh, you know, it's got to keep coming up. But the thing is that reason why I don't want to just sell is because people love to call the top. You know what I'm saying? People love to say, oh, it's reversing now, it's done. When this could just be a pullback. You know, this could just be a slight pullback. So I don't want to necessarily sell. I just don't want to
jump the gun on it.
Yeah, I don't want to keep putting money in. You know, that's why I'm scaling in slowly. I got a set amount of shares that I'm adding slowly but surely. Because chances are it's not the top. Because people love to, you know, call the top. Chances are.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting here. We're going to see what she does.
I bet. Bro, I'm about to hop right back in. I got to make a quick call.
All right. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see if she pops all the way back up to that zone. And she's looking like it. She's looking hot and bothered. Look at that. 2060. We're back up. Let me pass that. Give me 2090. I'll add again. 2090. I'm finna add again. It's 2085. Come on. 2090 on them. Come on. Looks like it's gonna get there. Oh, there's 2090. I'm putting the money behind it. I'm just throwing the money behind it. And that's all I got. I put all the money I could behind it. Now we're gonna start taking profit once we see something. Look at that move. Look at that move. 2178. New high right there. Just made a new high. See what we can get.
Back in the green.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we're back in the green. Exactly. She popped back up. I got all the money in right now. So because the reason why I got all the money in is because I'm far enough green to where if I see it starts moving against me, I'm not going to take much of a loss. So I'm willing to lose money. You know what I'm saying? If it means that I can hold through the move. Cause we got the move right now. We're at a new high, so I want to see how she's moving. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! New high, 22. I'm taking some right there. 22, 22. I'm taking some right there. Come on, get filled. There we go. I'm gonna take some more. Nice move here. Come on, pop it up. And if it does something crazy like go to 23, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start moving a bunch. Here we go. It's 22, 24. It's got momentum right now. It's starting to backfire. I'm gonna sell some. 2230. Oh, she is moving. I will give her that. I'm gonna take some more off just because it's slowing down. I'm gonna start taking more off the table. Take some more off. We're at the pullback. So I took shares off, right? And now I'm just waiting. I got more shares to add in case it was just the pullback, right? So now we're still at the pullback. I want to see if it bounces again. I'm gonna keep adding because I already took profit. I'm gonna keep adding now. And we've already made like $60. I'm like, yeah, about $60. Keep waiting here. I'm willing for it to go red and go against me. I'm willing. Just because chances are that it's going to pop back, you know. Just because of how much it's moved, that's the momentum, you know. It's hard to stop, you know, the train. You know, it's going to have, the train's going to decide. We're going to see if it's just a pullback or what. Oop. It's a pretty strong, and also I'm reading the volume here. You see this volume bars?
Yep.
I'm reading this volume. You see, we had these candles. These were higher than normal volume, and those were buy volumes. Then we had the sell. It was higher than normal, but it wasn't as high as those buy volumes. If it's higher than the buy volume candles, and we had more volume in the sellers, that means it's the top. That actually means it's the top. That means everyone that was buying is now selling. Which it's not that. All the highest candles are all the green candles. So there's no way this thing's done, I don't think so. And there we go. I'm gonna add some more here. It's popping up again. A little more behind it. Come on. Right there, 21. Give me 2170. 2170 on it. Come on, give me 2170 on it. I'm watching my bid and ask. I'm seeing when the ask goes to $21.70. That's when I've decided that it's appropriate for me to add more money. What is that? 2170. It's appropriate. Until then, I'm not adding anything else. Just watching. Looking at the volume here. Volume's kind of iffing me. We're starting to slowly get some senses that a lot more sellers are coming. Starting to have doubts. You know, they're entering the brain. They're screaming at me. They're saying, watch the volume. We might have one final move or something, and then it might be it. It might be toast for me. Especially because I got to leave now and go work on the car. So I got to decide here what I want to do. I think I'm going to wait for that one final move I'm talking.
Really just try and spend 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's it, because I don't want to get, you know,
Too
if I had the time and I had the patience, I'd sit here all day. But you either have the patience or you don't got the time, you know. Because if I have all the time, I might sit here and trade my ass away and just keep losing money because I don't have the patience. But if I have the patience, I can sit here, you know, for 30 minutes and make the $100 and get out. You know, but there's some days I can make $200 because I got the patience. I know what I'm doing, and I'm waiting for the right moves. And you know, she's acting nice. I'm adding money. You know, she's not acting nice. I'm, you know, getting out, waiting for that final move I'm talking about, and then I'm gonna get out. And final move, I'm gonna be aggressive. I'm gonna add because I think it's gonna be a nice shoot up, and then I'm gonna get out. I'm done. 2130. Come on. But yeah, I mean, dude, as long as I stick to that, I never average down. Never. I always, you know, reward the market how it is. If it's being good, I reward it. If it's being bad, I don't reward it. It's safe. It really is safe. I'm telling you, because this way you keep your losers small and you keep your winners big. So how can you
Yeah,
lose? You know, it's very good.
that makes sense actually.
It's very
It's
good.
been working for you, so
It's been working, Maine.
you still just choosing top movers at the beginning of the day
Yeah.
or
So
the night?
if exactly, usually as soon as I get to my desk, I look at what's going on, and if something has really strong momentum, I want in. If something's iffy, I might watch it, you know. But it's usually the iffy ones that I lose money on because they're not really decided. They can go up or down. I want something that's going up. If it's going up, you know, it's gonna take more to for it to go down than it is for something that's iffy. It'll take less for it to go down, you know. So here we go. She's starting to look like she wants some kind of move here. I'm at, well, what did I say? I think I said 2190. We'll move it. I'm gonna say 2150. I'm gonna add some more. 2150. Come on. Yeah, the order book looks like there's just sellers all over the place now. Actually, it just changed. It just got updated. But we're looking at majority of sellers are predicting the next move when it moves up. You know, that's they're all looking to take money. So I'm over here thinking we got another pullback coming, or this is the pullback. This could very well be it for me. I'm running out of time here, so we're waiting. I want that move. I do want it. But where's she at though? It's like you're looking on Tinder right now, you know what I'm saying? Looking on Tinder. Where's the move? And you see a nice lady. Oh, that's the move right there. Come on, show me something. 2150, show me something. There we go. Starting to see more buyers come in. I just see a big buy go through.
Hovering.
Yeah. Come on. See, I'm not adding. I'm totally in the I'm ready to get out zone. But it's gonna depend. It's gonna depend how it moves, and if it's gonna move accordingly, then I'm gonna get out just like that. I'm out right there. That's fine. We're done there. So we have to profit. You know, only got about $30 on that one today, but that's all right. That's all right. That's still good money, you know. And if it would have kept going, you know, if it would have had that final move, like I said, in time for me to be here enough, we would
Yeah.
have probably made it to $100 and cut it there. But that's about it for me. Well, we'll see. It might still move here, but that's fine. I'm done.
You're in and out.
Took the money. That's about it. But yeah, this will work for if you don't, you don't day trade like me, but if you do the swings, same thing. It's just a higher time frame chart. Like
Yeah.
let's pull up something real quick. Hold up. Let's pull up the chart. We'll just go to this one. Like let's say we'll go to Apple. Let's say, right? So let's look at this right here, okay? Let's pretend. Okay, here we're pretending. Here we go.
All right.
You see, right? You watching?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we got a new chart coming in. Oh, look at that. So we see this big move down, right? This big move down
Yeah.
here. You're a swinger. Well, let's actually bring up the daily. Okay, we're gonna bring up the daily. We're just gonna Okay, we'll just go here. Who's calling? My mom? Sorry. 1 second. So we're gonna say here, okay, right here. So we think it's a pullback. Okay, the stock moves, and we're looking at this chart action right here. So okay, we're swinging. We're swing trading. Okay. It's coming down here, looking like it's at support. We're gonna buy in. Fuck it, we'll buy. Okay, we buy in. Stock's moving down. That's fine. We're just not gonna add. We're not gonna add. We're not gonna add because we're not green yet. We'll just say the green's like right here. If you see where my thing's moving, like,
Yes.
okay. We're gonna say that's about green right there. We're not adding yet. 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 Oh, look at that move up.
Yep.
I'm gonna add there. That's telling me something. That's telling me that was just a pullback. I'm gonna add there. Look at that. Look at that move. Look at that move. You can hold through that whole move. Look at that whole move. Look at that whole move. And there was another little pullback there. You keep adding. You keep adding. You keep adding. Keep adding. Don't let it go. You keep adding. Keep adding. Look, keep adding. Now you see that candle there?
Big red candle that you saw for throwing that.
No. But let me tell you why. This is when she's starting to act bad. She's showing you bad behavior. You say, honey, can I get the orange juice? She says, ah. But she still goes and gets it, right? But she says, ah. Right? Because look, what might happen? What might happen? It could still go higher. You see? It could still go higher. That could just be a pullback, right? Just because it's a big red candle like that, it could still be a pullback. It doesn't mean anything. What matters is if it's continuing, right? If it's a continuing, and it's it's very slow. Like anything sharp like that, I necessarily wouldn't sell on that because it's too sharp. If it was a very slow, very minuscule, very slow move down, oh, that's the deadly one, let me tell you. If she's very slow, man. But if she's sharp like that, chances are it's gonna bounce. Just like how the bouncing even went higher. So let's go back. See that we were there. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's where we were.
Yeah.
It was just a pullback. It was sharp, and it even went higher. So we keep adding. We keep adding. Look, even here, keep adding, keep adding. But this time, it's not the pullback. So we start selling, and we're actually gonna sell here. You see how I'm selling here?
Mm-hmm.
Because we see, okay, you know what? That's enough bad behavior. That's enough bad behavior. You're fired. Man, in fact, we actually get to sell around this resistance anyways, in this zone. So we get to capture a very big move. Unless we were adding all the way up here. And we're adding all the way up here.
Mm-hmm.
And it starts coming down. You know what? That's fine. We're just going to take it. She's showing bad behavior. We're just going to take it. But something like this little pullback, we're going to keep adding no matter what. Because I'd rather get out close to my entry in a loss, get close to the entry or have a small loss, than miss this entire move and say, you know what, I'm happy with this profit up here. That's a big profit. I'm done. I don't want to take any more profit. That's fine. I'd rather take all that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There you go. Exactly. So if you're swinging, you know, it depends how long you're swinging. If you're just doing it for a couple days, same thing here. You don't want to get in when she's showing bad behavior. You want to get in when she's showing good behavior. There she is. You start adding. Start adding. And here's even the lower time frame. This is the 1 minute. She's just, and I would get in here. I would.
I was about to say it's also a good time to get in.
Well, only because right now it's trending up on this. It just started. It literally just started. So I would buy it now. I wouldn't buy it if it was just gapping down like that and keep going. Nah, I'd buy it now. And then if it broke, if it changed the trend, then I'd kind of be like, you know what, that's fine. That's it. That's it for me. But that's about it. I gotta go. Let's look at GameStop though. Let's look at game. Oh Maine. Oh Maine. She's holding strong. She's holding and she's not folding. She's got good behavior for me. When I say, listen, when I say good or bad behavior, it's all in relation to your portfolio. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's in relation to what price you got in at. Right? Because if you're shorting the market, it's reverse. Good and bad behavior is reverse. If you got in at GameStop at $40, this is good behavior. If you got in at GameStop at $300, this is bad behavior. You should probably reconsider your position. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But long story short, never average down. Do not support her bad behavior. That's long story short. Because if you just fuck around and you're financing bad behavior, you're going to create neural pathways in your brain that says, it's fine, it's going down. You know what? I'm just going to add more money and we'll just see where it goes. You're holding and hoping. None of that hoping shit works here. This is all numbers. This is all statistics. It's going up. It's been going up. Chances are it's going to keep going up. It's going down. It's been going down. Chances are it's going to keep going down. It's like flipping a coin. Well, let's think about it this way. Okay. Let's say you flip the coin, okay? And you make 2 to 1. It's 50-50. You make 2 to 1, okay? You make twice as much on your winners than you do on your losers. When you make heads, you make twice as much. When you hit tails, you only lose half. You only lose like 1, right? When you win, you hit 2. When you treat it like that, that's a game of profit. But if you make 2 every time you lose, and you only make 1 when you win, you're gonna want to win a lot more than 50% of the time. So you have a lot. That's why this strategy is all about taking losers. This strategy is all about losing. Oh shit, here is the winner. I'm adding money. I'm putting money behind it. And that's a big win there. But if you go the other way, you're going to take money. You're going to take a little bit of money each time you win. And then you're going to have a huge loss. And it's like, well, what the fuck? So it's what do you want? How do you want to train your brain,
Yeah.
Most importantly, it's probably best to train it in a way that's healthy. If it's going against you,
Eating habits.
right? Exactly. You reward the good behavior, and you say "see ya" to the bad behavior. That's it.
Yeah.
Like Plrx, we're looking here. Like that's bad behavior now. Like look at that.
Yeah.
It's starting to come down. I was necessarily waiting for that move there. Like, see that move there? I was like, it'll kind of pop up one last time, then I'll kind of take that and whatever. But we're good. We're done. But anyways, that's about it. You see how it's slowly, like you see these slow very
Yeah, it's
slowly taking. That's the deadly shit. Like these big ones, these big jumps. That's not really as deadly. That's not really. That's almost like it's gonna bounce, you know. So I can almost say it's still planning on. It might come back up. It might even go higher. But as of right now, I'm out.
all
I'm
right.
done.
Bye, bro. I got to get to work too.
All right,
So,
Dicey.
all right, bro. Appreciate you.
Yes,
Maybe.
sir. Take it easy. And that's all she wrote. See